The S-Union upgraded WPW 10,296,571 refrigerator glass shelf is a real lifesaver. This sturdy glass shelf replaces broken or cracked crisper covers. It fits many Whirlpool refrigerators and also KitchenAid and Maytag models. Furthermore, it's tempered glass, so it resists breaking. This Whirlpool refrigerator glass shelf feels like a solid upgrade. Moreover, installation is simple, therefore, your fridge will look new again. This replacement shelf, specifically the Whirlpool refrigerator glass shelf, supports your produce drawer. It's like a strong bridge holding your fresh food. The clarity of the glass is excellent too. You can easily see everything below it. Additionally, it cleans up in a flash. Spills wipe away without a fuss. Consequently, your fridge stays tidy. It truly is an essential kitchen item. Ultimately, this Whirlpool refrigerator glass shelf is a smart purchase. It brings back your fridge's functionality. Furthermore, it extends its lifespan. Overall, it's a reliable crisper drawer cover. It's built to last, hence, say goodbye to saggy shelves. Finally, enjoy an organized refrigerator. Pros: compatible with multiple brands, made of high-quality material, features durable construction, includes upgraded tempered glass, glass is explosion-proof, polished smooth curved edge, designed to prevent scratches, built to be sturdy, ensures long-lasting use, comes with an 18-month warranty, guaranteed customer service, option for full refunds. Cons: may not fit all fridge models, only for specific Whirlpool brands, glass could break if mishandled, no guarantee for international use, installation might be challenging. Features: upgraded design, refrigerator glass shelf, Whirlpool compatible, KitchenAid compatible, Maytag compatible, crisper glass replacement, tempered glass, crisper drawer cover, easy to install, durable and reliable. This is an upgraded glass shelf for your refrigerator. It's made of strong, tempered glass, so it's extra durable. You can use it to replace the glass cover on your crisper drawer. It fits many different fridge brands, like Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and Maytag. Plus, it's easy to install. The S-Union upgraded refrigerator glass shelf is a tough replacement part for several fridge brands, like Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and Maytag. It's made from tempered glass that's designed to be explosion-proof and has smooth, curved edges to prevent scratches. This sturdy shelf is built to last and comes with an 18-month warranty and customer service, including the option for a full refund if needed. However, it's important to note that it might not fit all fridge models, is mainly for specific Whirlpool brands, and the glass could still break if it's not handled carefully. Also, there's no guarantee for international use, and putting it in could be a bit tricky.